Wait, this tiny device turns water into cool mist using almost no energy. It's called an atomizer module, powered by a small electric circuit. Just place it on water, switch it on, and watch as it creates fine vapor instantly. No heat, no boiling, just smart ultrasonic vibration breaking water into tiny droplets. It's perfect for keeping rooms humid during winter, improving comfort, and even making beautiful decorative mist effects for bowls, fountains, or home setups. Small gadget, big science.